Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Mongo, man, out here in Mongo's garage tonight. Beautiful evening here. Got to watch KJ play some basketball tonight over at the Summer League, and now we're out here in the garage. I am not going to grind tonight. As much grinding as needs done, I'm not doing it tonight. I am going to do some decal removal. So if you guys want to see how that's done, you can stick around. If not, I understand. You know, it is what it is. You can come back whenever we get into some more dirtier stuff. But going to take some decals off the side of old Phoenix here. Stick around. right, YouTube. 9:45, quarter to 10, Tuesday evening. The phone says that I have recorded for about an hour and 16 minutes. So that's what it took me tonight to get the rest of the decals off. I don't have all of them off. I still got a couple more to take off, but I got the lion's share. You guys watch me take the stuff off the back. A little bit on the inside there I still got to get off. But there's the one across the back that has to come off yet. But down the side, all the way to the front has been removed. There's a little bit right there that still has to come off, but the top is completely gone, and so are the identification numbers. They're gone. So yeah, I'd say tonight was pretty productive, didn't get itchy. I think tomorrow night I have, like I said, we have a dinner meeting, so I don't know if I'll get out here. If I do, most likely I'll just clean. And then Thursday, we will continue grinding. I'd like to be able to start putting wood in this thing this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you coming back and sticking around with us here at Mongo's Garage tonight. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all the good stuff down there in the bottom. Again, like I said the other day, I do a lot of descriptive things in the description there, and I have been adding some links for some of the guys that I've been watching to learn how to do all this fiberglass work and to know what to look for whenever I'm going through all this. So, all right, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Mongo's out.